Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 18th August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given. Shift Subarrays. The program must accept an integer and also q. Q is represent number of operation we just need to do, and inside this q they will pass three values x, y and shifting direction. So this x represent the starting position of the given list and this y represent the ending position of the given range, and we just need to shift the given range into left side by one position if the shifting character is L. Otherwise we just need to do that in a right direction. So here this is the given input range 1 2 3 4 5 10 9 8 7 6, and the starting position is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the starting range, and 8 9 10, so this is the ending range. So we just need to shift this four elements by one position leftwards. So it will be something like this. 9 will be appended at the last, and 8 will be here, 7 will be here, and 6 will be moved one position here. So likewise we got 8 7 6 9. Now we just need to shift the 3 to 8 to right position. 1 2 3. So we are starting from here. 4 5 6 7 8. So after shifting this, the last element will be appended at the first in the position of 3, and the rest of the thing will be moved by one position. So it will be something like 7 3 4 5 10 8. Likewise we just need to do the right shifting operation for 2 to 4 range. 1 2 3 4. So it will be something like 3 will be added here, and the 2 7 will be moved to one position to the right. So it will be 3 2 7. That's what we are getting at the final output. So that's it guys. Let's see how we are going to solve this in a programmatical way. Before that I am going to use the same operation in a temporary list. L equal to 1 2 3 4 5. If we just need to shift the L by one position, right, what we just can do is L equal to L of -1, or which is in the position of last 0 1 2 3 4. The last element will be added at the beginning. After that since we just need to add rest of the elements up to the last one, so it will be something like L of 0 till 4. Don't include 4. Add element before 4. So it will be something like one position right shifted, but we are getting this error because the L of 4 just returns the value 5. It's not in a form of list, right? So we have to typecast just by putting another pair of square brackets. So we will get something 5 1 2 3 4. This is how we can able to shift the given position. So if I just need to do that for left one position, all I just need to do is L equal to L of, from we just need to remove the last digit and we just need to put that at last, right? So L of 1 is to last plus inside a pair of square brackets we just need to put the 0th element, L of 0. So now our list is one position swapped to the left direction. So if you want to do the same operation for subarrays, what we can do is L equal to, I'm just going to do that for 2 3 4. L of, we are not going to do anything with the previous of 2, right? So 2 is in the position of 1, so we are just going to keep the values as it is up to 1, and we are not going to do anything at the last also, right? So 0 1 2 3, so L of 4 is to will be remain the same. Now we are just going to do the operation in between parts. So it will be something like the 4 will be added at the beginning, right? If we do that one position rightwards. L of 0 1 2 3, 3, this is a single integer, right? So we just need to put this value in a pair of square brackets. After that, this 2 and 3 will remain the same, right? Or will be moved to the one position, right? So we just need the 2 and 3 alone, not 4. So since 2 is starting in the position of 1 up to 3. So now if I print the values inside list, we got 1, 4 is here, 2, 3, 5. Likewise, we can do the same operation for the right shifting also. L equal to, we are not going to do anything with the first integer, so up to 1 we are not going to do anything, and also after 5 we are not going to do anything. So L of 4 is 2 will remain the same. Inside this, what we just need to do is we just need to put the 2 and 3 before 4. So L of 0 1 2, 2 is to 0 1 2 3 4. We are just need to put all those elements before this 5, right? So the 5 is in the index of 4, so I'm putting 4 here. After that, we just need to add the element which is in the position of L of 1. So if I do that, we will get the value 1 2 3 4 5 again. This is nothing but the original solution for the given problem here, but this is in a miniature version because we are not using x y and we are not checking the condition. So let's do that in a programmatical way here. Oops, why did I close that? Okay, first input part n equal to number of elements int of input dot split. No, we are not going to split that because that's a single integer, right? N equal to int of integers, and here this is the list equal to list of map int of input dot split. So I'm getting all those values separated by space as a separate elements, and I'm typecasting those values into integer by the help of map, and finally I'm typecasting all those elements into a list. That's what I'm doing here. And now it's time to get the value for q or QUE. Everything seems the same, right? It's a single integer int of input, or else we can skip this one because we are not going to do anything with the value q. So I'm directly putting the value for I in range of int of input. So instead of storing the value given by this input as a separate variable q, and we are going to iterate for that, that's a unwanted thing, right? So we can directly do that. Now inside this loop we just need to get 3 values: x, y, and shift. Yeah, I said shift, not this time. Map of, since shift is the character value, so we can't able to directly typecast the value into int. So str comma input dot split. The value of x and y is a string and shift also string. So the integer value will be stored like this, double quotes or single quotes 3. So we just need to typecast the value x equal to int of x, y equal to int of y, and x equal to x minus 1, like that. We are not going to do that. We are way beyond the developers, right? So I'm using map function. Inside this map function, I'm going to create a custom function. Here, lambda t is to int of t minus 1. And this is the iterables. What am I going to use as the iteratable is x and y alone. So it will get the string value of x and y, and it will typecast the x and y values into integer, and it will decrease the value by 1 position. So everything seems done in a single statement, right? That's the specialty of map. Now we just need to check if shift equal to L. We just need to shift the elements of the submatrix by 1 position leftwards, right? For that, list equal to list of, as I have told, we are not going to do anything with the value before the submatrix, which is x here, plus, and we are not going to do anything with the values after the submatrix. List of y plus 1 is 2, or else you can put y alone. No, I'm going to stick with y plus 1. Now in between this, we just need to get the value which is in the index of y. That's a single integer. So list of y plus list of x plus 1 up to y plus 1. So we need the values up to y, but the last index is give the values 1 position or 1 index lesser than the given index, right? So I'm specifying plus 1 here. So if I do that, it will works fine, I guess. Print of list. So let me save and run this first. Here I'm passing the value of n as 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my q value is 1, x starting from 0, 1, and y ends at 1, 0, 1. Sorry. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Actually, this would be 2, I guess. 2, 4, and I'm going to do the operation of left shift. So now we got 1. This 4 is moved 1 position, right? So it's 4 here, and 2, 3. Instead of 2, 3, we are getting 3, 4 again. So I have messed with the range, which is x and y, I guess. So if I pass the input, we got 1, and the 4 will be moved 1 position, right? And 2, 3, 5. 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. That's working fine. But it's not actually working fine because it's doing the shifting operation in rightwards. I have missed the condition, so instead of changing everything, I'm just going to change the shifting operation. If the condition is right shift, do this. Else, list equal to, we are not going to do anything with the values before the x, and also values after the y. Inside these values, we just need a first value should be printed at the last, right? So list of x plus 1 is to list y plus 1, I guess. After that, add the value at the position list of x. So it's look the same, right? Here instead of x is to y, we are putting x plus 1 is to y plus 1, and instead of y, we are putting x. That's the difference. So I'm right shifting the values. So left shifting the values. So it will be 1, 3, 4, 2. The 2 will be moved at the last, and 3 and 4 will be moved one position leftwards. Seems like it's working. Let me check with the given input. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, reverse. Run this. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Q values 3, and the given range is 7, 10 L, 7, 10 L. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8, 7, 6, 9. Working fine. Now let me check for the right side also. 3, 8, R. 3, 8, R. 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5. 10, 8, 6, 9. It also working fine. Let me give a custom condition here, like swap everything by 1 to 10, one position leftwards. So now we got 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 10, 8, 6, 9, and then 1. Yo, it's working fine. And it's not printing the values in the same record order, right? You all already know that by putting star, you will get rid of the square brackets and commas. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for you. Hope you like and enjoy this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.